Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to enable stolen device protection feature on iPhone. To get this feature, first of all, make sure to update your iOS version to latest one. Once you successfully update it, go to your iPhone settings app and now scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Verify your iPhone passcode here. And here scroll down and you will find this option here, stolen device protection. This adds another layer of security when iPhone is away from familiar locations such as home and work. Face ID is required to access certain data and delay prevents quick changes to security settings. So all you have to need is just enable turn on protection, and that's it. You have successfully turned on stolen device protection. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.